today we are meeting here in this hall of Entertainment Society of Goa for the declaration of 10th standard result which was conducted in the month of May from 21st May to 6th June. As you are aware that earlier this examination was scheduled in the month of April, but due to prevailing pandemic, so we had to postpone it in the month of May. And then despite of all the hurdles, the SSC examination was completed successfully during this period. So now I am pleased to declare the result of this examination. So this examination was held from 21st May 2020 to 6th May 2020, as I mentioned earlier, across 29 centers all over Goa. There were 173 sub-centers, of which 4 sub-centers were in Maharashtra and 2 sub-centers were in Karnataka. So they were specially established. As you all know, there were reports in the newspaper also to cater to the needs of the stranded students at the border of Karnataka and Maharashtra. Now SSC result for last 5 years, you can see the slides on the screens. So during 2015 it was 85.15%. Then 2016 it was 90.93%. 2017 it was 91.57%. 2018 it was 91.27%. 2019 it was 92.47%. You can see the pass percentage of the last 5 years, which is represented in form of graph. So right from 2015, that is 85.15, to 2019, that is 92.47. Okay, now this year result is like this. The total number of students appeared 18,939, passed 17,554, and the pass percentage is 92.69%. So it is slightly higher than the last year. Then the result, gender wise result: boys 9,319, I mean the number of the boy student appeared, and passed 8,581, and this pass percentage of the boy student comes to 92.08. Girls 9,620 appeared, passed 8,973, and this pass percentage comes to 93.27. So in this examination also, the girl student, they are showing their upper hand on boy student. Even the higher secondary school examination, the more number of girls passed, so their percentage was more. Then total 18,939, passed 17,554, and overall result is 92.69. Then the percentage range, I mean in which the students have passed: 75 to 100%, 21.08% student passed in this range. 60 to 74, it is 33.51%. In the range of 45 to 59, it was 35.79%, and last range, that is 33.44, is 8.82%. Then the center wise pass percentage you can see. So the Mangeshi Center enrollment, that is was 258, recorded highest pass percentage, that is 98.6%. Kepe Center with enrollment of 441 recorded lowest pass percentage of 86.85. The Naveli Center recorded highest enrollment, that is 1522 students appeared through this center with pass percentage of 94.28%. And Poingin Center, Kankon, recorded lowest enrollment, that is only 230 students appeared through this center with pass percentage of 96.96. Then statistics showing 100% result taluka wise. Okay, Bardes 8 aided schools got 100% result. Government school 1. I think last year there were 2 schools who secured 100% result, government school. So now this year only 1 school has secured 100% result. So total 9. So Bardes Taluka 9 schools have achieved 100% result. Then Bicholim 4 aided school. Last time 5 aided schools secured 100% result. Now this time it is 4. Government schools 7 secured 100% result. So plus 3 it is showing, that means 3 more schools have managed to get the 100% result this time, government schools. So total 11 schools secured 100% result in Bicholim Taluka. Then Kankon 1 school managed to get 100% result. Last time 4 schools managed, so minus 3, 1. Then the government schools 3 schools, last time they were 5, so now minus 2. And total 4 schools from Kankon Taluka managed to get 100% result. Darbanoda aided 4 schools managed to get 100% result. 1 government school managed to get 100% result. So total 5 students secured 100% result. Kepe, there is no aided school with 100% result, but 1 government school managed to get 100% result. So 4 government schools managed to get the 100% result in Kepe Taluka. So the total 4. Then Marmgoa 11 aided schools managed to get 100% result. So this time the tally increased. So it is plus 7, but no government school managed to get 100% result in Marmgoa Taluka. So total 11. Padne 11 aided school managed to get 100% result. Government 5 government schools managed to get 100% result. So plus 3, last time only 2 schools managed. So total 16 schools from Padne Taluka managed to get 100% result this year. Fonda 14 schools managed to get 100% result. So plus 4. Then 2 government schools managed to get 100% result. So total 16 schools in Fonda Taluka secured 100% result. Salset 17 schools got 100% result. So plus 3 compared to last year. No government school achieved 100% result. So total 17, all aided schools. Sangay, there is no aided school which managed to get 100% result. So last time 2 schools managed, but this time no school managed to get 100% result. 4 government school managed to get 100% result. So last time 3 government school managed to get 100% result. So total 4. Sattari 1 aided school managed to get 100% result, and 6 government schools managed to get 100% result. Total 7. And Tiswadi 12 schools managed to get 100% result. So there is addition of 4 schools this year. 2 government schools managed to get 100% result, and total 14. So total 83 aided schools secured 100% result, and 35 government schools managed to get 100% result. So government schools, I think there are total 70 government schools, but out of these 70, 35 schools, so then they managed to get the 100% result. So they have performed quite well. So more than some 76%, yeah, more than 50%, yeah. So the total 118 schools, they secured 100% result. 118, okay. Then the benefits under sports merit mark, number of candidates who have sports merit marks were 7073. Number of candidates who have passed the exam with the help of sports merit marks is 273. Overall percentage of candidate passing the examination with the help of sports merit mark is 1.56%. Then pass percentage in English is 96.76%. Then scoring of student question wise, there we have shown to identify weak and strong area. That means in certain questions, in certain areas, they have performed quite well, but in certain areas their performance is very weak. So the secretary will explain you more about this.
Good evening, everyone. This is what you can check, and this is what is happening. What has happened in English. Question number 1, question number 2. If you see, the first bar it is 30%. Second red one that you can see it is 50%. Third one it is 70%, and the fourth one it is 100%. We have just worked out this based on how they have fared in particular question. Now, if you just look at the question number 2. Then many students, they have secured 100% marks in that question. The question was of 10 marks, so many of them have secured 10 out of 10. So this question number 2, which is tree diagram, you can see below we have given the description about those questions. So tree diagram, many have scored 100%. Then if you just see the other graphs, then you can see here it is question number 10. You can see question number 10, this is the first graph, it is 30%, second one it is 50%. So many of them have secured 30% to 50%. That means it is on the lower side, difficult areas. And that question number 10, this was article writing, and 100%, very few they have secured. You can see the graph, question number 10. So likewise, if you just go to question number 5, this question number 5, this is textual poems. You see here in textual poems, many of them have secured quite good marks, not 10 out of 10, but many are there. And here it is increasing. Between 30% there are less, then 50% slightly increase, 70% again slightly increase, whereas full marks in that particular questions, quite many are there compared to the other part. This is question number 7, which is a grammar part. You see quite well they have done. It is in the increasing side. 30% quite less, but 50% they are increasing, 70% they are still increasing. Let's go to the next graph. This is in maths.
Yeah. So anyway, this English pass percentage is 96.76%. So this analysis would help the schools and teachers to improve their, the students' performance in the various areas. Okay, then now pass percentage in science. So that is 94.11%. So again, it is represented in a graphical form. He will explain you.
Yeah, this is science. Overall percentage it is 94.11. If you see question number 4, the question number 4 pertaining to periodic classification of elements, heredity, carbon and its compounds, and how to organism reproduce. Over there, many are in that 30%, 0 to 30%. That means there is a possibility that these people, they have not understood that particular question. So many have scored very less marks. If you see the other part, that is again here it is 100%. In the same question number 4, again very few students are there. So this is where the teachers and the students will have to work upon. If you see the next question also, question number 5, there also this is electricity, human eye, colorful world, magnetic effect of electric current. There also 30% and 50%, many people are there. That means moderately they have understood this particular question. If you come to question number 3, this is question number 3 is heredity and evolution and sources of energy, light, reflection and refraction. This is question number 3. 50% they have understood this particular question. They have answered quite well. Question number 1, again 30% and 50%, they are more or less it is okay. So this survey, this will definitely help them to improve upon their to know their weaknesses and strength. So even teachers will able to see whether whatever they have taught is up to the mark or not. And we are going to share this data with the schools.
Okay, this is mathematics where the result is 95.18%. So again the same graphical representation you can see here, diagram. Yeah.
I'll take question number 5. If you see, question number 5 is this is pertaining to circle and construction. Here many schools they have many students they have secured full marks in that particular question. So that is how that graph you can see, question number 5. And then very less they have understood on the lower side, that is 30%. So many of them are in that 100% area. If you see question number last, that is question number 8, this is pertaining to area related to the circle, then surface area and volume. Many word problems are there, and then really it is an application oriented question. You see here the graph is, it is a straight line here. So 30% people are many people have on that 30% range. So that means they have not understood this particular question well. So this is where the schools will have to pay attention and take the remedial measures accordingly.
Yeah.
And likewise the other questions.
Yeah. No, these are all, I mean, the sort of academic analysis. You may not be in a
This is what
position
we
to
are doing
understand right now, but the teachers and the student, they will understand
And
it.
we have done this exercise for the first time.
Okay. So then we have the NSQ of students, those who are offered. So number of students appeared for by taking NSQ of subject 19,000 and 19,006.
1906.
Yeah. Then 17.
108.
Yeah, and 8. So they are passed, and pass percentage is 89.61. So NSQ of subjects. So there is a list of NSQ of subject. You can see the automobile and IT, ITS, healthcare, retail, travel and tourism, hospitality, beauty and wellness, apparel, construction, agriculture, paddy farmer, physical education, media, entertainment, banking, financial services and insurance, telecommunication, logistics, electronic and electrical, vegetable cultivation.
Sham, you are in Vasco and you all have there in the containment area almost of 55-56 areas, no? Sham, तुम्ही आता 58 days मांगूर हिलान भितर आसा आणि टेस्टिंग बेस्टिंग मोस्टली आता तुमकी नेगेटिव्ह सगळे जाग्यार स्लोली पडटा. काल तुमची मीटिंग जाल्ली विथ द ऑथॉरिटीज, डिप्युटी कलेक्टर बा कोण, कितें आमकां मातशी कितें डिटेल्स दिवंक शकता?
काल आमची कलेक्टर वांगडा हे जाली मिटींग जाली. ह्या मांगरातले 10 जाण आणि त्या मांगरातले 10 जाण काल रातचे 8 जाली. ताका आमी आमचे इश्यूज आहा पळय ते सांगपा लागून आमी गेल्ले ताका, बाबा हे केन्ना लॉकडाऊन केन्ना ओपन करता, हे बाबा कंटेनमेंट झोन, त्यासाठी आम्ही तांकां विचारपा म्हणून गेल्ले. आनी आमचे खूप इश्यू आहले, कोणाचे कामावयले काडल्या, कोणाक हे ना सारखे हे पावना, ते खूप हे आहले. ते सगळे ताका सांगपा आमी गेल्ले. त्याने आमकां कितें सांगचे, हांवें पयलीं ताका क्वेश्चन केलो, बाबा हे कंटेनमेंट झोन केन्ना पासून तुमी हे करतले, केन्ना आमकां हे रिलीफ दितले. त्याने सांगलें कितें आनी 10 दीस तरी वयतले.
ओके,
हे सांगता 10 दीस तरी वयतले, 10 दीस तरी वयतले म्हणून सांगताले. आनी पयलींचे कितें टेस्टिंग केल्या पळय तितूंतले कोण पॉझिटिव्ह येता, हे जाता, तेजेर मागीर आमकां मातशें हे पळोवचें पडटलें म्हणून पावलो. आणि
But श्याम, कित्याक 10 दीस? कित्याक 10 दीस घेतले म्हणटा तो?
कंटेनमेंट झोन ओपन करपाक.
ना बट कित्याक 10 दीस कित्याक?
कंटेनमेंट झोन ओपन
हा
10 दीस हेका लागून त्या सध्या कोण भायर वयता पळय त्यांचे थोड्यांचे पॉझिटिव्ह गावल्या, तांकां व्हरून तेणे डायरेक्ट हॉस्पिटलांत घातल्या.
Okay.
तशेंच काल तेंच्यांनी लास्ट टेस्टिंग केल्ली. लास्ट टेस्टिंग करून तेणे हे फाल्यां परवा कितें रिजल्ट येता तेजेर आमी पळयतले. जर ते पॉझिटिव्ह येयले जाल्यार आमी ओपन पॉझिटिव्ह येयले जाल्यार आमी ओपन करचे ना. एक 10-15 दीस तरी लागतले म्हणपाक लागलो तो.
Okay.
तशें सांगलें तेणे. जर तो नेगेटिव्ह येयले जाल्यार आमी एक ओपन करूंक शकता म्हणपाक लागलो. अजून ते तशें कांय सांगना. तरी आसतना आमी आमचे ते कितें कितें इश्यू आसले पळय ते जाले. लोकांक कितें जाय, लायटीचे बील, नळाचे बील हे गव्हर्नमेंटान माफ करपाचे. कित्याक तेंचेर आतां लोकां कडेन कोणा कडेन एक पयसो ना. ते सगळे डेली वेजीस लेबर हे सगळे घरान बसून आहात. घरान बसून हांगा अशें आहा घरा म्हणटा सगळ्यांचे रूम म्हणटा धाकटे. ते घरान दिसभर बसोंक शकना. दिसभर ते रस्त्यार आसता. बाबा कोण खेळटात, कोण कितें करता अशें तेंचे चल्लेले आहा डेलीचे. तेका आमी सांगले तो म्हणटा कितें फाल्यां ते टेस्ट 2 दिसा टेस्ट पळोवन मागीर आमी पळयता म्हणून सांगलें. मागीर कितें करपाचें तें. आनी आमी तेका हें सांगलें बाबा फाल्यां तूं टायम लायन दिला आमी तेका.
ओके राव एक मिनिट. प्रिवियस क्वेश्चन एक मिनिट ना हांव कितें म्हणटा ना आतां लोक हे पयले ते लोक घरा बसल्या बट नोटीसी येयल्या म्हणून बाय सो एंड सो डेट यू हॅव टू जॉयन, यू हॅव टू डू ते कितें तेजेर कितें उलयल्या तुमी कलेक्टरा कडेन हेजेर?
ना तेजेर उलयला आमी कलेक्टराक. ते सगळे सांगलेले आहा बाबा थोड्यांक आमचे एअरपोर्टा वयरचे कोणाक काडपाचे नोटीस येयल्या, बाबा फोन येयल्या. बाबा तांकां सांगलेले आहा 10 दिसान तुमी तर जॉयन जायना जाल्यार आमी दुसऱ्याक घेता. अशें कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचे हे आसता. म्हणजे तेंची ट्रॉली हेचेर कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट आसता आनी कित्याचे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट आसता. तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट थोड्यांचो काबार जाला. लॉकडावनान भितर ते थोड्यांचो काबार जाला. बाबा तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट आतां तांकां रिन्यू करपाक गावना. तेंच्यांनी तांकां फोन करून सांगला बाबा तुमचे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट काबार जाला, आमी आतां दुसऱ्याक कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट दिता. बाबा तुका हांगा येवन कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचे कांय पे करिना. ताका लागून तेणें थोड्यांक कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट आहा कोण टॅक्सी हांगा टॅक्सी आहा टॅक्सीचे ते सारके ड्रायव्हर सारके ते हे आहा तेंचे आपले टॅक्सी घरानूच दवरले. आनी तेंचे कितें इन्स्टॉलमेंटाचो अजून काय इन्स्टॉलमेंट तांकां सांगलें इन्स्टॉलमेंटाचे ते आमचे कितें हे पळया म्हणून कितें कमी इंट्रस्ट तरी कमी कर म्हणून सांगलें. तेंच्यांनी कितें इंट्रस्ट तरी कमी कर आमच्या इन्स्टॉलमेंटाचो EMIचो. तशें ते हेका सांगला तो कलेक्टर कितें सांगता आपूण हे पळयता सांगता ना तुमी एक आपल्याक मेमोरंडम दिया. आनी कोणाची नोकरी आतां गेल्या बाबा ते सगळ्यांना आपल्याक हे करून दी लिस्ट दिया आनी आपूण एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी कडेन आपूण उलयता म्हणपाक तशें तेणें सांगला.
आनी आतां तुमकां कितें जेवण आनी प्रोविजन आतां पावता तुमकां विदावट एनी प्रॉब्लम? कित्याक लास्ट टायम तुमी भायर सरलेले रस्त्यार भायर सगळो लोक.
हय ना प्रोविजनाचें कितें जालां सद्या गव्हर्नमेंटाचें प्रोविजन म्हणटा काय ना ते गव्हर्नमेंट कितें धाडटा एक 2 किलो तांदूळ आनी 1 किलो दाळ. हे लोकांनी कितें तांदूळ आनी दाळ इतकें खावपाचें आनी कांय ना. सद्या आमकां हांगा खूब जाणांनी हे हाडून दिलां खंयचे व्हडले कंपनीनी सेफोलान कंपनीक हे करून फोन करून बाबा सर आमचे अशें ह्या प्रॉब्लम हे कर कितें तरी धाड आमकां. तेंच्यानी कालूच आमकां ते JSW सावथ वेस्ट पोर्टान सगळ्यांक हेवटेन हे मागरान त्या मागरान सगळे तांदूळ पीठ रवो तेल पाकीट भाजी सगळे धाडून दिल्ले आहा. कालूच धाडून दिल्ले आहा. दूध म्हणटा तो हांगाचे विकते घेवचे पडटा. दूध म्हणटा तो कोण हाडून दिना. दूध म्हणटा तो विकते घेवचे पडटा. दुधाचे कोणाचे पाकिटां तशें कांय ना.
सो बेसिकली तुम्ही आता सगळे ब्लॅक टी पिवंक जाय मरे. आनी साखर तरी मेळता? साखर
मेळटा अशीच हांगा कितें मेळना अशें ना. सगळीं शॉपां हांगा भितरली सगळीं शॉपां ओपन आहा. शॉपां ओपन आहा. थंय आतां सद्या शॉपां ओपन आहा म्हणल्यार कितें थोडे आतां कितें कामाक ना तेंचेर पयशे ना ते आतां शॉपाचेर
तेंच उलोवंक सोदतालो. आतां शॉपां ओपन आहा बट पयशे आहा कोणाक सॅलरी मेळना कोणाक काम ना खूब डेली वेजीस आहा थिंगा तेंचे कितें हाल ती आतां?
थोडे कितें करता बाबा ते डेली वेजीस आतां थोडे कितें करता हांगा भितरूच कितें एक च्याचे थर्मोसान च्या बाबा थंय घेवन बसता रस्त्यारूच रे च्या बसता कोण कितें हे करता बेल करता कोण आनी कितें चिकनाचे कितें कितें आयटम करता आनी विकता आनी वयल्यान रस्त्यार भाजी विकूंक बसता नुस्तें विकूंक बसता तसले ती फॅसिलिटी आहा तशें काय मेळना अशें ना नुस्तें मेळटा भाजी मेळटा शॉपाचेर तुका सगळें तांदूळ साकर ते मेळटा आमचे एक फेर शॉप आहा ते फेर शॉप ओपन आसता डेली तशें मेळना अशें काय ना सगळें मेळटा पूण लोकां कडेन पयसो ना होच प्रॉब्लेम जाल्ला आनी आमचे काल कलेक्टराक आमी एक हे दिला लास्ट वॉर्निंग बाबा तुमी एक विका भितर हें ओपन करिना जाल्यार आमी सगळे हांगर स्ट्रायकार बसतले म्हूण सांगलें ताका
कित्याक हांगा स्ट्रायकार बसतले बट इन्फेक्टेड आहा जाल्यार कंटेनमेंट झोन दवरूंक जाय न्हू
हय इन्फेक्टेड आसा कंटेनमेंट झोन तेंच्यांनी सगळें सांगलां तशें आमचो मेन लिडर म्हणटा तो आमचो सैफुल्लान सांगला बाबा तुमी 8 दिसा भितर तुमी हे काय आमचे हे काय करिना जाल्यार ओपन करिना जाल्यार आमी सगळे रस्त्यार येवन बसतले आनी एक तो हांगा स्ट्रायकार बसतले तशें तेणें सांगलां
श्याम एक म्हाका एक हे हा ना फॉर एक्झाम्पल ते एंटीजन टेस्टिंग करपाचे आसले ते मांगुरान ते कितें केलां तेणी आनी कितें एक्झॅक्टली तो कितें आसा म्हायती आसा कितें तेजी ती ते एंटीबॉडीज दिसता एंटीबॉडीज सॉरी
एंटीबॉडी टेस्टिंग जाल्या काल 22 तारखेच्यान स्टार्ट केलें तेंच्यांनी काल तेंच्यांनी लास्ट हे केलें काल हांवें एंटीबॉडी टेस्टिंग केला हांवें वचून एंटीबॉडी टेस्टिंग केला अजून काय रिजल्ट येवंक ना जेन्ना ते रिजल्ट येतलो तेन्ना ते एटलीस्ट 3 दीस तरी वयता म्हणटा तो 2-3 दीस लागता म्हणपाक रिजल्ट येवपाक तातूंत काय कोणाक काय मेसेज येवंक ना आतां पळया फाल्यां कशें कितें जातलें तें 2 दिसांनी रिजल्ट जातकीर मागीर परतो मागीर कितें आहा तें पळोवपाचें
बट कितें ते एंटीबॉडी टेस्टिंग कितें जाणा तुमी कितें ते म्हायती कशी कितें करता ते ब्लड काडटा कितें करता ते
बोटाक सुई तोपता आनी ते हितूंतल्यान रगत काडटा एक चीट येता धाकटी चीट येता ते चिटीचेर ते मागीर रगत घालता आनी ते मागीर ते तेंचे कितें नेगेटीव काय पॉझिटीव कितें तांकां हे दाखयता सायन दाखयता आसतली कशें कितें आहा ते आमी ते ना इतकें रगत काडटा येना ते आपले ते कॉन्फिडन्स ते आमकां काय सांगना ते आमचे हेचेर प्रत्येकाचे चिटी घेता ड्रॉप घेता आनी ते किटीर घालता आनी मागीर ते आपल्यार दवरता प्रत्येकाच्या नंबरा प्रमाणे नांवा प्रमाणे हे करता ते नंबर घालून अशें आसा म्हणल्यार ते आमकां काय ते कॉन्फिडन्स न्हू ते आमकां काय हें सांगना ते मागीर आमकां कितें आहा ते पॉझिटीव येयला नेगेटीव येयला ते मागीर आमकां हेचेर सांगता मागीर
ओके श्याम आतां इतले दीस आमी 58 डेज तुमी भितर पडले लोक कितें कोत्ता काय टायमपास करपाक नाल्यार नॉर्मली कामाक वयताले नाल्यार आतां कितें कोत्ता तुमी लोक सगल्याक आनी घरांनी घरेन धाकटी आहा कितें बेश्टे भोंवता चड व्हडलें ना कितें कोत्ता तुमी हें टायम हें करपाक
COVID cases are rising in the state of Goa, hence everyone is cautious with every move and step that they take. Now with regards to Siolim, the former Sarpanch, ex-Sarpanch and ward members Fermina Fernandez and others along with her workers and supporters sanitized the whole area in Wadi and Marna. Watch these visuals.
आमकां थोड्यो पॉझिटिव्ह केसी मेळिल्ल्यो आहा आमच्या शिवलीम इग्रेज वाडो आनी तशेंच बामणवाडो आनी मारनाय मेळिल्ल्यो आसा तर हांवें फोन केलो आमच्या बस्को सराक फायर ब्रिगेड ऑफिसराक तेणें आमकां एरेंज केली गाडी आनी तेणें आमकां धाडून आमी आयज ह्या जाग्यांनी सॅनिटायजेशन केलां तर हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा आमच्या फायर ब्रिगेड ऑफिसराक आनी देव बरें करूं.